I am Dr. Namrata, who is treating the fertility problems for the last 24 years. Okay, I have treated many fertility problems, and for many couples actually we have given pregnancy at our centers. What I want to tell you is, when a couple can come for the fertility center to undergo treatment for fertility problem. After how many years of their marriage they have to come? One thing I can tell you, depending upon the problem they are facing in family, outside, that is in the society, or depending upon how much money they are having, whether they are well established or not, all these things actually comes into account for a couple who is suffering with fertility. And depending upon their monetary level and their jobs and what amount they are getting every month, everything it includes. So, but when I remove all these things from my mind, I can just tell my couples, patient couples, to undergo certain tests immediately when they come to know that they are suffering with the problem of fertility. When can we call a couple infertile? After getting married, if they are living together, even though they are trying naturally for the conception, if they are not conceiving, then we can tell that they are having primary infertility. And few people they will conceive and they will have abortion, and few people they will conceive and they have tubal pregnancy, ectopic pregnancy we can call, and few people they will have some molar pregnancy, so grape-like pregnancy in the endometrial cavity. All these people actually we can call them secondary infertility. They will conceive but they will not have their child in their hand, so that is called secondary infertility. So the couple who are suffering with primary infertility or who are suffering with secondary infertility, definitely they have to come for a good advice, at least advice. Good advice should be given by their family doctor or their fertility specialist when they have to enter the fertility specialist. See, many couples actually I have seen many couples, they go to a doctor, they will take the suggestion, they will use 2 months or 3 months medication, again they will come and keep quiet, and after that again they will go to the other doctor, again they will take treatment for 6 months, again they will go to the other doctor. 5 to 6 doctors minimum. Many couples they have visited even 10 to 15 doctors also, I know, but no conception. Why there is no conception? They will go to a small doctor, they will go to their family doctor, they will go to their gynecologist, they will take the suggestion, whatever equipment, whatever treatment method they are having, they will advise them, but that treatment method will not be sufficient for all the couples. So that is the reason. And some other reason is always using medication. Years together, please don't use medication. Only you have to use medication at least minimum to 6 months. Maximum you can try up to 1 year, okay, on and off. In between you are just leaving the treatment and again going to other doctor, otherwise sometimes without any treatment you are just spending your time and all, and you are thinking that see, God will give us. See, always anybody, any of the couples, we will think God will give us a baby and all. So these kind of things, otherwise they will go to some like puja, they will go to some astrologer, all these things will happen in between. So that is the reason actually many people they won't continue one treatment in one place properly, but you have to continue one treatment in one place, and your doctor at least they have to tell you that you have to go to a fertility center. This problem is not getting cleared with that only medication or with the small treatments like IUI and all. You have to go and meet your fertility specialist. They can advise you 100%. Nowadays couples are not even asking their family doctors that what to do, where to go and all. They are deciding, and yeah, yes, you are educated, well educated, and you can decide yourself, you can have your money, and you will know that how much money you are having and what kind of treatment you have to undergo. But the problem is whether you are coming to a proper doctor, proper fertility doctor or not. Your fertility specialist has to examine you and they have to tell you whether you will conceive or not. If you can conceive, what method you have to undergo, how many months treatment you require to take for conception. After conception, how many months you have to approach, like you have to come to your fertility doctor for treatment. All these things you have to clear all these doubts with your fertility doctor. Okay, at least one good doctor can advise you something. Maybe, see, you are residing at some other place which is far from my place maybe. After taking the suggestion of a good doctor, you can go to your place and at least you can undergo that kind of treatment. The suggestion is very important for you.